Hey, this is the part 2 of how to set up unmanaged VPS. Last part we updated the name server for my domain nxnw.net child name server to my IP address and deployed a Debian 8.1 image and booted up the VPS. Now I am going to log in and install few softwares like Webmin Virtualmin etc. So I am logged into my server and I'm lazy enough to type commands, so I already made a document, so I'm copy paste apt get update and get update. This basically does is update the Debian Linux to the latest version. Okay, the update is going on. If I think you can see the terminal, I'm going to zoom a little bit. Okay, press down arrow, it's showing some message. Q to Q to press Q. It will take some time, so please wait. I'm going to install Webmin and Virtualmin for easy management. That means Webmin is a graphical user interface to manage your server. That means you can edit configuration files and do a lot of stuff using command line. Instead of using command line, you can use the graphical user interface tool Webmin. And Virtualmin is a hosting control panel like cpanel, ISP config, etc. You can add domains, etc. Okay, the update is completed. Now we are going to install Webmin Virtualmin. Okay, I'm going to install Virtualmin GPL come with Webmin also. So this is a command wget http software.virtualmin.com/gpl install.sh. We need install.sh, so install.sh is saved. So now I need to change the permission chmod 755 install.sh. The permission is changed. Now we need to execute the script install.sh. It will ask you to continue or not. Press yes. It will take another 10 to 15 minutes depending upon the network speed and the performance of the system. This may vary. So the installation is going on. Okay, it's asking to a fully qualified host name. That means the software asking you to type a host name. So I'm going to type my domain name as host name. You can type whatever you like. Virtualmin by default the script installed PHP and Perl, etc. Some few necessary software to run Virtualmin and Webmin, Apache, etc. Server as Apache Linux, Apache Webserver, antivirus software, and there's a lot of stuff. It's automatically installing by the script. If you need to customize the installation, you need to go to virtualmin.com, the official website, and there is a documentation. You can customize the installer, but most of the case you don't need to do that. This installation is perfect, there is nothing to remove. Okay, so instead of Apache, I like to use Nginx as a web server because it's easy and fast. I think I need to post this video for some time because it take around 10 to 15 minutes, sometimes 20 minutes. So I'm going to post this video and come back after installation. Okay, the installation is completed. Now I'm going to restart the webmin by using the command gct init webmin int.d/webmin restart. Okay, now you can log into your virtual server. All you need to do is copy the IP address and open a new tab and type :10,000. It will not going to work because the domain is not added to our VPS. So type https your IP address :10,000 slash yes 10,000. Okay, the pages get loaded. Now type your username, root, and your password. Okay, this is post installation wizard. You can click next, read it and click next, and configure, select the item you need. Okay, this is fine for me. You need to read it and decide you need to change it or not. For me the default is fine. I'm not going to run Postgres, so the default is fine. Give your database password. Please give a strong password. Okay, this is MySQL configuration. If you have less RAM, select 256 or fatter. If you have a huge system, select 2G or more. Okay, primary name server ns1.nxw.net, secondary name server, third name server, and click this skip check resolvability because now it's not configured. It will give you an error if you didn't check that. Click next. Okay, store plain text for now, no problem. If you need to, you can select, but you need to manually change something when you add a new domain or something. Okay, click next. Okay, the initial setup is completed. Now we are going to install Nginx as a web server, so we need to remove Apache. I'm going to use this command, stopping Apache, and removed the Apache 2 and going to install Nginx. Click yes, Y, and need to start Nginx. Nginx is running. Now we need to install the module for Nginx for Virtualmin. Install using this command. The installation is completed. Again need to restart Webmin. Okay, Webmin is restarted. Now we can, sorry, this is another server. We need to refresh the page. sorry, again another page. Okay, we need to manage enabled features and plugins. Okay, bin DNS server, mail for domain, Apache website, we don't need that. No reporting, no SSL, log file rotation is enabled, pro FTP enabled, uh, AW stats not needed, Nginx XSL website need, Nginx website need, mailman not needed for me. Protected web directories, if you are removed Apache, you do not enable protected web directories, Apache website, etc., SSL website, these three things and this one. If you removed Apache, it will not going to work and give you trouble. So for if you are installing a Nginx like me, so please select like this and click save. Okay, let's go and create our first server, first domain. So our domain was nextnow.net, and give a description, anything you like. I'm going to give master domain and a password, and going to create server. Okay, we got another error, failed to create virtual server, it cannot be enabled unless the website is. So go to system settings and features and plugins, go ahead and see. Okay, I selected this. Okay, let's try again. It's going to fail. Okay. As you can see, the applying Nginx configuration restart failed because this particular version have a bug, so we need to clear that first. So okay, this is the URL that is discussing the same bug. So how to resolve this issue? Yeah, you need to do some kind of workaround when you are managing to install this. Okay, now I'm going to remove the virtual server because it's created well, but the Nginx configuration having some problem. So I'm going to delete the virtual server and going to Webmin. And sorry, going to Webmin, others, file manager. If you are good enough in terminal, you can do it there, but I am not that good in terminal. So here he is saying that there is a bug, you need to correct this. Go to user share Webmin, this is the path, you need to go there. Okay, So it is user folder, share, and Webmin. The error is it's listening to IPv6 address. I have my VPS having enabled IPv6 address. It is making default for all virtual hosts. That will not work. You need to edit manually in Nginx configuration, but you need to do it over and over again. Every time you create a virtual server, it is going to fail like this. So we don't need to do that. So we are going to edit that file, virtualfeatures.pl. Okay, click the edit button and find this line. Let's try to find. Yes, yeah, we got it. And we need to disable this IPv6 only on to we need to delete this. Okay, up to this we need to delete default and IPv6 on. Yeah, these two things, delete these two things and save it. Okay, the saving is completed. Now go to Virtualmin and try again. You can give our domain, master domain, and give your password and hit create server. Let's see if it's going to fail or not. Yeah, successful. The Nginx server is not running because last time it's failed and we didn't restart it. You need to go to servers and go to Nginx web server. If there is any configuration error, the Nginx web server will not start. Yeah, it's running. Okay, now we can give a try our domain is working or not, because we already updated the name, child name servers, and now DNS is configured. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, we get 403 forwarded error. So that's the domain nixnw.net is now configured to this server. So that's it. The first installation process is completed. Here you can see the web server is not running because you need to manually refresh. It automatically done refresh sometime, but if you need the current information, you need to manually refresh it. Okay, go ahead and see it's running or not. Yeah, it's running. Okay, now the first phase of installation is completed. Now you can add as many as virtual server to your VPS, and it's like a normal hosting control panel. It started working. It's created FTP user and mail user, etc. So the first installation is complete. Installation phase is completed. Now you need to do some security fixes like installing security firewall and configuring email, etc. So that will be another video. Please visit my channel for that video and watch it to make it more secure, and also some small tweaks here and there. Anyway, that's it for now. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.